The task we have set for this paper prototype involves having a logged-in user searching for a product they want, read the description, and then place a bid or purchase it, whichever applies to that specific item. This is our redesigned version of the eBay app homepage. For the purposes of this demonstration, the user is already logged into the app. The image carousel at the top here will show recommended purchases in relation to what they have recently searched and/or bought on the site. The Categories button will obviously take the user to a bunch of categories, and the Settings button will take them to a settings page. A big change that has been made here is the new swipe menu that displays the user details. Instead of being a menu bar at the bottom, the My eBay option is in the top left-hand corner. To access it, users can tap that button or swipe right. This menu design change was originally on the right, but we realized that since it's a cognitive reflex to look at the top left first, we decided it would be a good idea to have the important navigation on the left. Swipe left to minimize the menu and return to the home page so we can get back to the task at hand. The user wants to find an item. There are a couple of ways they can do this. They can use the barcode scanner located at the top right-hand corner, which will open the camera and allow them to scan a barcode of any available product as seen with the original eBay app. However, with this task, the user doesn't have access to their product, and therefore only have the option to search for it. Tap the search bar at the top to open the keyboard. Pretend that there's a keyboard that pops up. Let's say the user is looking to purchase a beanie. They type beanie into the keyboard and tap enter to begin the search. The loading screen will appear. The search results for beanie come up after a second or two of loading. Let's say the user wants to find a cheaper product than what they're given here, so they tap Refine to tailor their search results. The menu slides out from the left-hand side. The original app had the menu sliding from the right, but that wasn't on par with the cognitive reflex issue we are entailing. Now we simply tap the sort option and tap the lowest price first. A blue tick will appear to show that you've chosen this option. Then click Done, and then Done again to go back to our results page. Now the results page has changed to show the lowest price results first. A new feature that we've added to this app is a swipe left option on each result that allows the viewer to see more details of the product without having to enter a new page. See how we swipe left on the economic val beanie. We can view more images of it and a small description before actually tapping on it. This allows users to see if the product is what they're looking for, and if it's not, then they simply have to stop swiping and move on. The user likes the sound of the economic val beanie, so they tap it to enter the product page. This is the product page. It has the basic details of the product as well as an easy-to-see Buy Now button and a new Add to Cart option. In one of our evaluations, we found that the eBay app didn't have this cart option available to the users, which made buying multiple items at once a hassle. When the user taps on any of the tabs down here, the arrow indicates that when tapped, the info will come sliding in from the right. Let's tap the description box. As you can see, the description pane has opened up. Here we can tap on the conditions, item specifics, and bidding activity to view them as we are viewing the description right now, without having to exit and open up a new page. So now to go back, we tap the item button at the top left-hand corner here. And we will tap Buy Now to purchase this item. Now this screen is where you determine how much of the item you want. We only want one, so we can tap Purchase now. And then we tap Commit to buy. And the following screens will be the usual area where the user would enter their credit card details and order the item. And that's it. Thank you for listening to our redesigned version of the eBay app.